since the vice chairperson had changed, so we could not, the market committee was to be reconstituted. We had vice chairperson Tito Cardozo takes over as the chairman of the market committee, and sanitation committee, which he was heading, Anjali Pereira takes over the chairman of the sanitation committee. Now we can take, according to the act, you can have 5 members in the committee. So the council has given me, the chairperson, the rights to form the committee. We will try to stick to the same old members, and maybe with addition of one, because we had earlier 4 members, so we may add another one, because the act can say that it is 5 members you can have for the committee. Secondly, one of the most important resolutions that is passed today is, we had a huge area amounting to about 10,000 square meter area at Malvat next to Victor Hospital, and it was that time acquired by the council as a parking lot. All the numbers are over here, and the audit this time raised an objection, saying that why is not being utilized for such a long time. So, and when our survey was going on now, we have realized that there are a couple of houses, there are a few houses, not couple of houses, about 7 or 8 houses, which were always there. It is not that they have newly settled in that area. So and now, earlier it was a parking lot, but now according to the ODP, it is a C1 zone, the prime commercial zone in the city. So this has been discussed, and even when we were raising objection to the regional plan that time, we said that we would like to propose a commercial complex of the municipality in this area, but of course this will be with the plan of rehabilitating the people who are already there, by giving them a small area and develop. We have not really decided the nature of the commercial complex, but it would be something that would get revenue to the municipality.